everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a final for my 72-hour group build. This was the one that was put on by the AMC livecast. And it started at 8 o'clock on Thanksgiving night and ended on Sunday night at 8 o'clock. So I actually got this done Monday night, or Monday late evening. The deadline wasn't a firm, hard thing. It was just a fun build. Get everybody out, get everybody building, get them to do something different once Thanksgiving was finished. So what we have here is the Aoshima FD. Let me get a paper here. It is the FD3S RX7. It's my second Aoshima kit that I built. Nice kit. Everything goes together very well. For this one, I sprayed. It's a light gray primer from Kaleido. And then the color that I used on this one is K012. It's a gloss. It's orange yellow from the primary line for Kaleido. And then over that, I got like 3 coats of the Kaleido clear varnish. And it's the gloss clear. And then the wheels are also done in one of the Kaleido metallics. Metal colors. I can't remember exactly which one it was though. I think it's titanium. So the kit was very, very easy to build. It's a curbside and pretty simple, fun. I liked it. I would do another Aoshima kit again. So far I've done 2, like I said. Hold on, the doggy's barking. I'll be right back. Okay, where was I? Yeah. Sorry about the interruption. But anyway, this is a fun build. Paint came out pretty good. I mean, at one point, I thought it was messed up really bad. Little polishing, no sanding, just a little polish, and then wax on it. Movable front tires. So, fun build. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have a good week. Take care of your families, and be kind. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.